Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this new and improved mashed potato recipe that will keep you coming back for more. If you guys are ready, then let's get started. So to get started, we are going to go ahead and peel about 12 potatoes. And I'm just going to peel them off and then add them to my pot. Of course, guys, I'm not going to show you me peeling all of them. I just want to show you what I was doing at first. So after peeling our potatoes, guys, we went ahead and rinsed them off and we're going to put them in the pot. So over here, before I boil it, I'm going to add some salt for taste. And you want to boil it until it's fork tender. And after that, we are going to go ahead and put it in our mixer. So I took out some water and I'm just adding my potatoes. I left just a little bit of water. I can say like maybe a half cup of water. So to the potatoes, I'm adding in a half stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 big tablespoon of Greek yogurt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So over here, if you want, you can use your hand mixer, or you can also use just a potato masher if you have one. So after mixing our mashed potatoes for a little bit, I went ahead and added in some heavy cream. So I'm adding in about a half cup of heavy cream. So when adding in the heavy cream, you want to add it in gradually. So guys, this is how the mashed potatoes were made, and if you like my new and improved video, please don't forget to give me a comment and let me know what you thought about it, and don't forget to try the recipe as well because it was really delicious. So after that, we are done. It didn't take that long. I think the longest part of this recipe is just peeling the potatoes and also boiling the potatoes. And for those who are watching my channel and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also comment. And for my oldies, I just want to say thank you for supporting this channel, for everything that you guys have done for growing this channel. I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless you. So my last ingredients are butter and also chives for garnish. And that's basically how it look like, guys. We have reached the end. Thank you for watching this channel. I'll definitely see you next time when I make something new. Bon appetit. Bye.